Hey guys, I have an interesting question for you. Here it is. Generally, we can easily find which fraction is the biggest and which is the smallest one. But the examiner has do some trick with this question. Most of the students solve it like this. Firstly, they cross multiply it. That is negative 3 into negative 15. We get here 45 and 7 into 10 we get 70 here. So from that they mark that this fraction is the greater one, but this is the wrong answer. The correct way to solve this type of question is to keep this negative sign on the numerator side. Now what we get is it's a negative 3 by 10, and on the another side we get 7 by, here we get it's a negative 7 by 15. Now cross multiply it. What we get? Negative 3 into 15 we get negative 45 here, and on the other side we get negative 7 into 10 we get negative 70. So now negative 45 is the greater one. It means this fraction is the greater one. Now you tell me guys, negative 1 by 2 or negative 1 by 3, which is the greatest fraction here?